Okay, let's go over homework 1.6, number 10. Right? So we have g of x, which is arc sine of 3x plus 9. So you're looking at the composition of two functions. First function is arc sine of x, and another function is 3x plus 9. Right? Then we need to consider its domain. Right? If you look at just the arc sine of x, so if you have, say, y equals arc sine of x, right? Remember that its domain is going to be so maybe it's -1 through +1, right? So in order for this function to make sense, 3x plus 9 has to be between -1 and a +1. So we have so 3x plus 9 has to be between -1 and +1, right? So we can simplify that. So we can just subtract 9 from every one. You get the -10 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to -8, right? Then we can just divide through by 3. So we get -10 over 3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to -8 over 3, right? So therefore, the domain has to be from a -10 over 3 to -8 over 3 with the square bracket, because we are including -10 over 3 and the -8 over 3. Right? So range-wise, since this is the arc sine function, right? So arc sine is the inverse function of sine function, right? Then the domain of the sine function is from domain of sine function. So remember that in order to have arc sine, we restricted the domain from negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2, right? So the range of this arc sine function is the same as the domain of the original function. So domain is of the original function is negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2 with this square bracket. Again, it's inclusive. We're including negative pi over 2 and also positive pi over 2. Right? That's it. I hope this was clear.